Hi everyone, are you looking DIY OBD2 scanner? This video is made to help you find the best DIY OBD2 scanner. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price and more. Links all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. If you want to see stay up to date latest technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, Foxwell, model number, NT710. The Foxwell NT710 is a revolutionary device designed to deliver top-of-the-line diagnosis for all cars. With its advanced features, extensive system coverage, and user-friendly interface, the NT710 empowers users to tackle automotive problems with exceptional precision and efficiency. Designed to deliver dealer-level diagnostics and crafted for both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts alike, it effortlessly brings the expertise of a top-tier diagnostic tool right to your garage. The tool boasts a robust Android 9.0 operating system, which provides a seamless user experience complemented by a spacious 5.5-inch touchscreen. The NT710 is crafted to cater to the intricacies of GM vehicles. Equipped with a powerful 4000 mAh battery and 2 + 32 GB memory, it ensures long-lasting performance and ample storage for all your diagnostic needs. The Foxwell NT710 bidirectional scan tool allows users to scan all available systems in their vehicles, including engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, EPS, SAS system, TPMS system, IMO system, battery system, and more. By identifying potential issues early on, users can proactively address them, ensuring optimal performance and safety. Number 4. Brand name, MUCAR, model number, CDE 900 Pro. The MUCAR CDE 900 Pro is an OBD2 tester with a DTC definition library for efficient fault resolution. It offers the convenience of internet-based fault code searches directly on the device via Wi-Fi, eliminating the need to reach for your phone whenever you want to look something up. The unit, built on Android, features a user-friendly 5-inch TFT touchscreen and 6 tactile buttons, ideal for gloved use. Its tough design includes thick shock-resistant plastic front and back with extended corner bumpers. The whole unit measures 8.2 inches tall, 3.8 inches wide and 1.2 inches thick. This car scan tool can easily get access car's ECU and retrieve its information, including vehicle identification number, calibration verification number, and information of multiple sensors for accurate diagnostics. No need to look around for the VIN. Navigation through the scanner is super fast, loaded with information, and has a lot of capabilities compared to other scanners in the price range. It even has a browser to surf the internet if connected to Wi-Fi. 28 maintenance functions include all available vehicle systems, like IMO, DPF regin, battery registration, ABS bleeding, injector coating, suspension calibration, throttle body adaptation, brake reset, headlamp reset, etc. Booting up in 30 to 50 seconds on Android 6.0, the MUCAR CDE 900 Pro requires an initial Wi-Fi connection for downloading vehicle databases. Once you plug the MUCAR scanner into the OBD port, you can do a quick scan or VIN search. The VIN search will automatically locate your VIN, allowing MUCAR to display the proper data for your vehicle. It's a quick handshake between the scanner and your vehicle. With lifetime upgrades and user-friendly features, the MUCAR CDE 900 Pro proves cost-effective for DIY fixers, potentially saving you from expensive garage bills and even more eye-watering labor rates. Number 3. Brand name, Launch, model number, CRP129X. The Launch CRP129X OBD2 scanner is a versatile tool designed for car owners and DIY enthusiasts. With a range of functionalities, it promises to make vehicle diagnostics easier and more efficient. The CRP129X comes with support for AutoVIN technology, which means it will automatically read and store your vehicle's VIN number in one touch. It immediately identifies your car, and you don't have to enter the year, make, engine, etc. of your car. The CRP129X also features a built-in diagnostic code lookup, and for further research, the unit is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing access to the web directly from the unit. With a 4000 mAh battery also being equipped as a backup system, the device could also be easily used in the event that the engine of the vehicle would be switched off. This would thus help to increase the efficiency and also making it possible for data to be transmitted from a switched-off engine. Number 2. Brand name, THINKCAR, model number, MUCAR V06. The THINKCAR MUCAR V06 diagnostic tool is one of the most versatile diagnostic tools for all systems on the market today. MUCAR V06 can work on most OBD2 compliant vehicles worldwide. With the update of vehicles and functions worldwide, the support of MUCAR V06 is constantly updated, and free lifetime updates. You can get more repair orders and improve your efficiency and professionalism, having such a state-of-the-art, fast, smart, intelligent bidirectional scanner, a great investment in your life. V06 scan tool can automatically identify vehicle information with AutoVIN and starts auto-diagnose process, and it works on most OBD2 compliant vehicles worldwide in US, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia for 12-volt cars, SUV, light truck, hybrids and even roadster, automatically generate diagnostic report for further analysis. Multi-layer rubber protection, strong structure, shockproof and anti-drop, can meet the needs of the specific working environment in the process of car maintenance. The diagnostics application enables a data link to the electronic control system of the test vehicle for vehicle diagnosis. The application performs functional tests and retrieves vehicle diagnostic information such as trouble and event codes and live data for various vehicle control systems, such as ABC, SRS, engine, AC, transmission, brake system, emission system, fuel system, light system, wiper system, etc. Designed for advanced mechanics, automotive technicians, DIY, auto repair shops. A protective carry bag is attached to the package. It is not only convenient to carry, but also provides excellent protection for the product. Number 1. Brand name, KINGBOLEN, model number, K7. KINGBOLEN K7 is a powerful diagnostic tool for daily repair and maintenance services. Equipped VCI, K7 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner allows you get out of your narrow driving seat for a car diagnosis without annoying cable. Built-in browser and fault code library allows you can directly query the fault code when diagnosing. One-click Wi-Fi update allowing you to complete the software upgrade anytime and anywhere freely. The tester is a standalone workshop device, a diagnostic combine equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen, an armored, rugged workshop housing. It is powered by a very fast Android operating system and allows for wireless diagnostics using a Bluetooth interface. A 4-core processor, has 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of built-in memory and a 3000 mAh battery. All this will ensure long battery life and quick diagnostics with an intuitive program interface. Once the diagnosis is complete, you can create a diagnostic report that you can share with your mechanic or customer. K7 OBD2 Bluetooth scanner can match or initialize components' adaptive data after replacing some components and do some offline coding work, such as unlock hidden functions, switch off seatbelt buzzer, folding rear view mirror to improve vehicle performance, etc. K7 OBD2 scanner is equipped with most of the 31 reset service functions that individual owners or DIYers and mechanics use for daily vehicle maintenance such as oil, brake, IMO, injector, coating, etc.